everyone, Elijah with Aiden Pressure Washing. Today, we are washing these grain bins behind us. So we've got a bucket truck here. They brought some water on site for us too. We brought 500 gallons. They got an extra 1,000 for us if we need it. We filled up once, so that's good. I'll flip you around and show you what we're working on. So we've already cleaned this one here and half of this one. You can see up towards the top, they've got all sorts of growth and everything. And the first 4 are the worst. And then the last 4, we'll be able to just soft wash those. We are applying 6% today, and it is killing all that organic. But to make sure that we can get it off today, we are going through with the medium pressure, about 1,000 psi, and just blasting everything off after a little short dwell. You can see where that soap is already cleaning. You got clean streaks running down. But we're applying from top down, and that reason for that is to save on soap. You know, a lot of times they tell you house washing, soap bottom up. But this way we're letting it run down, soap up, everything that's below it, and then we're able to come through and not use as much as we go down. So 12-volt, just applying it. Do have a little apple wash in there. That's actually from last year. We don't use a ton of surfactant when we're 12 volting, so we still got some left over. Gives it a little bit of a color. So you can see all the stuff up there is brown and dead. Set's coming back through now. Giving everything a quick, mild pressure rinse off. Twelve volt, 5.5 gallon a minute, reaching all the way up to the top. 30 foot, no problem. So these last 4, these will just be able to be soft washed. They'll come nice and clean with just the 6% running down them. Just that nasty buildup up top that we're having to put a little pressure on, unfortunately. But they had a bucket truck available, so we didn't have to rent a lift, and it saved them some money, making things work a little bit quicker. You can see we did the backs of these are already retreated, and you can just see that transition from clean, not clean, all the way up.